Ahead of elections in Jammu and Kashmir, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi visited Srinagar. They held a meeting with National Conference President Farooq Abdullah, where Omar Abdullah was also present. Now, the meeting was to discuss a potential Congress National Conference alliance for upcoming assembly polls in Jammu and Kashmir. Shortly after the meeting, Farooq Abdullah said that the alliance is on track.
कॉर्डियल एटमॉस्फेयर में मुलाकात हुई और जो अलायंस है वो ऑन ट्रैक है और इंशाल्लाह ये बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से अलायंस चलेगी।
सीट्स का क्या हुआ है?
सीट्स का भी बहुत अच्छा है।
फाइनल हुआ अलायंस आपने?
जी हाँ, फाइनल हो गया है। आज शाम को उस पर दस्तखत हो जाएंगे और ये सब ये पूरे 90 सीट्स पे अलायंस।
And Rahul Gandhi also took the opportunity of his Srinagar visit to launch a renewed attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Addressing Congress party workers, Rahul Gandhi said that the INDIA alliance has denied Narendra Modi's confidence. He goes on to say that Narendra Modi's confidence is shaken and this is an opportunity for the INDIA alliance to ensure that they are getting stronger. Let's listen in.
चुनाव में नरेंद्र मोदी जी की कॉन्फिडेंस को इंडिया गठबंधन ने खत्म कर दिया। आपने देखा होगा जो पहले नरेंद्र मोदी जी छाती फैला के आते थे, याद है आपको? यूं आते थे, अब यूं आते हैं।
Not just the Congress party, it's also the Samajwadi Party that is now echoing the statements made by Rahul Gandhi. What did Rahul Gandhi say? Rahul Gandhi went on to say that the INDIA bloc has gone ahead and has weakened Narendra Modi's confidence. Samajwadi Party goes on to assert that the RSS is no longer supporting the BJP as strongly as it once did. Now, the party's statement also emphasizes that this is nothing but a reflection of the growing strength of the INDIA bloc.
निश्चित तौर पे बीजेपी हो, नरेंद्र मोदी हो, आरएसएस हो, सबका कॉन्फिडेंस लो हो गया, डाउन हो गया। जो आरएसएस मोदी जी के साथ सुर में सुर मिलाती थी, वो आरएसएस अब मोदी से सवाल पूछती है। मोदी के द्वारा दिए गए सिद्धांतों का, मोदी के द्वारा दिए गए तमाम सारे विजनों को आरएसएस डिस्ट्रॉय कर देती, खत्म कर देती। अब आरएसएस का साथ छूट गया तो उनका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो स्लो हो गया है। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात कि नरेंद्र मोदी लगातार बैक टू बैक अपने तमाम सारे जो निर्णय उन्होंने लिए उनको बैक करना पड़ रहा है। ये तय करता है कि इंडिया अलायंस मजबूत है।
Whose confidence has been shaken and who's getting stronger? That's the larger political narrative after that statement made by Rahul Gandhi. BJP, meanwhile, is also training guns at the Congress party over its alliance with the National Conference. BJP is asking the Congress party to clear its stand on Article 370 and the restoration of which has been promised by the National Conference in its manifesto. Not just this, the National Conference in its manifesto has also called for holding talks with Pakistan. BJP is now seeking Congress's clarification on these two issues that has now been taken and made clear by the National Conference.
राहुल गांधी जी के अंदर में सोच है वहां के लोगों को भड़काना और फिर से ये कहना उनके अंदर है कि हम 370 लाएंगे, लेकिन देश इसे स्वीकार नहीं करेगा क्योंकि राहुल गांधी फ्रस्ट्रेशन में है, अति पिछड़ा, ये कहते कहते राजनीतिक भाषा बोलते हैं लेकिन अपनी बात नहीं बता पाते।
Some people like to be legends in their own mind and they believe that, this is the great castles we are building. Prime Minister Modi is the Prime Minister of the country. The people have given the NDA a clear majority to serve the people of India. This is the third time that the government has come, and the government will continue to serve the people of India, irrespective what political leaders on the other side of the spectrum would be giving credit to themselves for things that have not happened.